morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay, is it raining heavily at your place? Okay, you feel so cold. Okay, anyway, have you learned the previous class lesson, previous class topic all of you learned? What we learned in the previous class, may I ask some questions to you? Are you ready? I hope all of you read your textbook, collect your parent signature. Okay, so I am going to ask first question to you. Okay, ready? We learned yesterday about some fibers. Isn't it? Have you remember? Okay, then we learned about some fibers. 2 fibers I showed yesterday. Which are the fibers we learned in the previous class? Yes, which are they? Cotton, then jute. Very good. Cotton and jute. Can you read the spelling? C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Well, if you say the spelling of cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Everybody say loudly. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Okay. Then what is the next one? That is jute. Okay, very good. Spelling. Can you say spelling? What is this? J-U-T-E. Jute. J-U-T-E. Jute. Well, if you say one more time. J-U-T-E. Jute. These are the 2 fibers we learned in the previous class. Okay, everybody. Then we learned about paper. Where do we get paper from? We get paper from plants. Okay, we get paper from plants. From plants, which part? Paper made from, what is that word we learned? Pulp. Very good. Paper made from pulp of wood. Paper made from pulp of wood. Pulp spelling P-U-L-P. Pulp. P-U-L-P. Say everybody. P-U-L-P. What we can read it? Pulp. So, paper is made from pulp of wood. Pulp of wood. Okay. Then we learned about some plants which is used for medicine. They are called medicinal plants. Which are the medicinal plants you familiar with? Yes, tulsi, then mint, then aloe vera, then eucalyptus also. So, which are the medicinal plants? 2 medicinal plants we can write here. Tulsi, spelling of tulsi, T-U-L-S-I. Tulsi, T-U-L-S-I, tulsi. Then mint, M-I-N-T, mint, M-I-N-T, mint. These are all things we learned yesterday. Fibers, cotton, jute. Don't forget cotton, jute. C-O-T-T-O-N. Let me say C-O-T-T-O-N. J-U-T-E, jute. Then paper we get from, paper made from pulp of wood. Then the medicinal plants, tulsi, mint. Tulsi, mint. Then today we can continue. Many other products also we are getting from plants. Can you watch one picture? Are you ready? Okay. What all things you saw in the picture given? Where do we get these all? We saw one tea packet, tea powder we saw. Then coffee powder. Then cocoa. These are things we saw. Where do we get these all? You saw that near the tea powder, we can see some plant leaves also. That is the tea plant. What is that? Tea plant. Have you seen the tea plantation when we go to Wayanad and all? When we go to Wayanad, Ooty and all, there are a lot of tea plantation on the hills we can see. Have you seen? Yes. So, tea. Tea is the powder. Tea is a plant. The leaves, we dry the leaves and make it powder and we get tea powder. So, tea powder we get from plant. So, tea powder. Tea is made from leaves of tea plant. From the leaves of tea plant, we are getting the tea powder. Understand? Okay. Then coffee powder. Where do we get coffee powder? That is also a plant seed. Plant seed. Coffee plants, coffee beans or coffee seeds, we are getting the coffee powder. Where do we get coffee powder? Coffee. Where do we get coffee powder? Coffee beans or coffee seeds. Understand? Then we get cocoa. Well, if you like chocolate, we get chocolate from cocoa plant. So, cocoa plant, all of you seen cocoa plant at your home, somebody's, most of your home. I think everybody have cocoa tree at your home. Isn't it? Did you get cocoa from cocoa tree? Yes. So, from that cocoa we are getting chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yes. So, from the cocoa beans, this also cocoa bean or cocoa seed. Inside the cocoa fruit, we can see cocoa seeds. That seeds, we get cocoa powder or cocoa chocolate. Isn't it? So, these are other products we get from, what do we get? Plants. So, plants are very useful to us, isn't it? Yes. So, tea, coffee, cocoa, we get from plants. Then, we are going to learn about some oil. Many oil we know. Many oil we are using for many different purposes. These all oils, most of the oils we get from plants. Do you know sunflower oil? You are using sunflower oil at your kitchen? Your mom is using sunflower oil? Yes. So, sunflower oil we get from sunflower seeds. From the sunflower seed, we are getting sunflower oil. Like that, olive oil. You heard olive oil? Olive oil also very good for our health. So, olive oil is getting from the seed of olive plant. Then, groundnut oil. Do you know groundnut oil? What is that? Groundnut oil. Groundnut, you know? We are eating groundnuts. So, from that groundnuts, you like it. We can make groundnut oil. This also we can include in our food. Groundnut oil. Then, for some other health purposes also we are using groundnut oil. So, the oil we get from plants, which are they? Sunflower oil, olive oil, groundnut oil. Okay? Then, do you know any other oil we are using at your home that we get from plants? Do you remember? Yes, Amma saying. What is that? Coconut oil. Very good. Coconut oil also we are getting from plant. Which plant we are getting coconut oil? Well, if you say, from which plant we are getting coconut oil? Coconut tree. Very good. Coconut tree, we get coconut oil. Okay, very good. Then, we are learning about some perfumes. Which are the perfumes we are getting from plants? Perfumes have good smell or bad smell? Good smell. So, the plants have very good smell having part. Which is that? Flowers. Very good. The flowers are very nice smell. That we can make use of preparing perfumes. Which are the perfumes you know? You know the perfume which has rose flower smell, rose perfume you know. Then jasmine, smell of jasmine, and sandalwood also. The wood also we are using for making perfume. Sandalwood. You know, in your textbook you can see the pictures. The sandalwood. Sandalwood, all of you know. Chandanam. Yes. So, that smell you like? Yes. So, these perfumes also we are making from plants. Rose, jasmine, sandalwood are we used to make perfumes. Okay? So, understand all of you what we all things we learned today? We get tea, coffee, cocoa from plants. We get tea from leaves of tea plant, coffee from beans of coffee plant, cocoa also, cocoa beans. From cocoa beans we are getting cocoa. Then we get oil from some plants. Which are the oil we are using? Sunflower oil, olive oil. Then, will we say, what is this? Yes, groundnut oil. Then the perfumes. Which are the perfumes you are getting from plants? The perfumes you are getting from rose plant, jasmine plant and sandalwood. Do you understand? All of you? Okay, then we can go through the textbook. Keep your finger. Okay? See the textbook. We get tea, coffee and cocoa from plants. Everybody repeat what I am reading. Keep your finger. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. Okay? Coffee is made from the seeds of the coffee plant. Coffee is made from seeds. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. Can see the pictures in your textbook. Coffee, cocoa, then tea powder is the tea plant, tea leaves are there. Okay, next we get oil and perfume from plants. We get oil for cooking from the seeds of some plants. So, oil we are using especially for cooking, isn't it? So, for that, for making oil, we are using the seeds of some plants. We also use oil for our hair. Okay? So, you can see the pictures here. What is this? Sunflower oil we get from the sunflower. Olive oil, the olive oil bean is here. Then groundnut oil, the groundnuts you can see. Then the flowers of many plants and wood such as sandalwood are used in the making of perfumes. Which are the flowers we are using? Can see the rose flower, jasmine flower, and this is the sandalwood tree. By using this, we are making, what we are making? Perfumes. Look at the spelling of perfume. P-E-R-F-U-M-E, perfume. All of you say P-E-R-F-U-M-E, perfume. Okay. Can we do some textbook works? Tick the correct answer. All of you keep your finger. First one, aloe vera and tulsi are examples of dash. Fruits, medicinal plants, nuts, flowers. Aloe vera and tulsi are examples of medicinal plants. Second option. All of you put tick. Medicinal plants. Second one. C. Then second one. Chocolate is made from dash. Chocolate is made from coffee, cocoa, mud, honey. What is the answer? Chocolate from cocoa. Cocoa spelling C-O-C-O-A. C-O-C-O-A. Cocoa. Third one. All of you put tick. Okay. Rose and jasmine are used in making dash. Rose and jasmine. Cooking oil, perfume, milk, syrup. Rose and jasmine. Rose, jasmine. What we are using? We are used in making perfumes. Very good. Rose and jasmine we are used for making perfumes. Perfume spelling P-E-R-F-U-M-E-S. Perfumes. Okay, all of you say one more time. P-E-R-F-U-M-E-S. Perfumes. Okay, ready? Then all of you read this page. Only one page you have to read, 140. Then read this exercise portion also and collect your parent signature.